Kaproses, it's your girl Ross na naman, and for today's video ay turo sa inyo yung ABCD ni Nayon. So bago tayo mag-umpisa, is-mirrored ko yung video na to. Okay, so first step is i-open nyo yung legs nyo. So pa-jump kayo ng pag-ganon. Okay, so open yung legs, then yung inyong left hand is itatapat nyo dito sa side ng face nyo. And 1, 2, okay, so mag-wave yung inyong katawan. 1, 2, then after nyan, ilalagay nyo yung inyong left hand dito sa shoulder, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, ibibend nyo yung legs nyo and yung hips nyo dito sa right side muna. Right, left, right. Okay? So, close yung legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan is, itong right hand naman, tak, tak. Okay? So, parang ipapagpag nyo lang siyang ganyan. Okay? So, dito sa left side, center, right. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, yung inyong legs naman, itong right leg yung ibibend nyo. Then, straight yung legs. Then, left, straight. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, after nyan is, close nyo yung legs nyo and tak, tak. Okay? So, yung inyong right hand, unang mag-wave pa ganon. Okay? So, from left to right. Then, ito naman, right to left. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung legs nyo naman, pwede kayong mag-jump ng slide. Okay? Jump, then open, jump, open. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, yung legs nyo, pwedeng close, then open, close, open. Pwedeng ganyan. Or pwedeng itong right leg is tuck, then palit, tak. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Every time you see me, better deeper, deeper.
Okay, so next step naman is yung kamay nyo nakabench ang paganto from right to left. Okay? So, medyo naka-forward yung body nyo dyan. 1, 2. Okay? So, yung legs nyo naka-close and medyo titiptoe kayo dyan. Then, ikot nyo lang yung katawan nyo papunta dito sa left side. Okay? So, 1, 2. Then, after nyan, yung kamay nyo nakaharap dito sa front. Itong palad nyo. Okay? So, tak, tak. Okay? So, itatalikod nyo lang siya. 1, 2. Okay? So, yung chest nyo, pag nakaganto yung inyong kamay, papunta siya dito sa left side. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay? So, pag naka-open dito, then left, right, left. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, after nyan, turo kayo pag ganon. Okay? So, yung inyong left hand is papunta dito sa face nyo. Okay? So, 1, tak. Okay? So, una mabagal. So, yung inyong left leg is aangat nyo. Then, tak, tak. Okay? So, mabilis yun. Okay? 4, 5, 6. Okay? So, pag 6, mabilis yung galaw ng kamay nyo. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then, after nyan, yung inyong left hand is naka-open na ganito and nakagan sa inyong kamay. Then, tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, itatap nyo lang siya or ibabagsak nyo sa hand nyo ng tak, tak, tak ng 3 beses. Okay? So, yung inyong paa naman, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Una is, aangat yung inyong right leg. Okay? So, tak, left, tak. Okay? So, right, left, right. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, after nung part na paganto, is iaangat nyo yung inyong left leg. So, tuck and tuck. Okay? So, angat, down, angat. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo naman is ipapatong nyo siyang ganito. Okay? So, 1 and 2. Okay? So, pag nakaharap, 1 and 2. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. Then, angat nyo yung kamay nyo ganito. and down. So, pagka down ng kamay nyo, is iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg, then hila, hila. Okay? So, left, then right. Okay? So, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then 5 and 6. Okay? So, yung 5, 6, hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg pa atras, then yung kamay nyo is lalagay nyo dito sa chest, open, then close. Okay? So, countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Then, after nyan, hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg sa harap. Then, bend nyo yung katawan nyo. Then, tak, tak. Okay? So, yung kamay nyo, pwedeng nandito sa likod, or pwedeng dito siya pag hiwalay nyo ganyan. Okay? So, yung inyong paa naman is iba sila ng direction. Okay? So, itong right leg dito sa right side, then left leg dito sa left side. So, open, tak. Okay? So, yung ulo nyo is papunta dito sa right side. Tak, tak. Okay? So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman is iakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa right side. Okay, so yung inyong kamay is nandito sa baba ng chest nyo and naka-open siyang ganito. Then, close. Okay, so pagka-close ng ganito ng kamay nyo is medyo magbe-bend yung katawan yung paganto. Okay, so mag-stand kayo. 1, 2, then after nyan, yung kamay nyo, itong right hand nandito, and yung left hand nyo, nakaturo siyang ganito. Tapos hakbang yung inyong right leg. Okay, so close, then hakbang, then 1, 2. Okay, so yung kamay nyo from left to right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after nyan, hakbang nyo yung inyong right leg dito sa likod. Then yung kamay nyo is naka-square na ganito. Okay, so yung inyong right hand yung nasa taas and left hand yung nasa baba. Then ikot nyo siyang paganto. Okay, so tak, tak. Okay, so pagka-ikot ng kamay nyo pa ganyan, ito yung naka-bend. Okay, so una is naka-straight yung legs nyo, then tak. Okay, then after nyan, i-extend nyo yung kamay nyo ganito, then tak, tak. Okay, so hila 1, 2, harap sa inyo yung inyong fingers. Okay, so countings muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, next step naman, after nung part na paganto, parang mabilis kayong, di ba, pagka-bend nung ganyan, mabilis na parang gaganon yung kamay nyo. Parang may kukunin kayo, mabilis kayo. Tak, tak, then hagis nyo yung kamay nyo pa ganon, okay? So, pataas, tapos magko-cross yung inyong kamay. Okay? So, tak, tak, and 1, 2. Okay? So, yung inyong left leg, angat nyo siya, pagkaangat ng kamay nyo, then, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, then, 3, 4. Okay? So, itong part na to is magja-jump kayo. So, 1, 2. Okay? So, pagka-cross ng inyong arms, angat nyo yung inyong right leg. Okay? So, 1. Okay? Pagka-cross, tapos pagpababa ng ganito yung kamay nyo, bababa yung leg nyo. Okay? So, 1, 2. Okay? So, angat, then, tap. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, then after nyan, 5, 6. Okay? So, yung inyong right hand dito sa side ng head nyo, or pwedeng i-slide nyo siya pa ganon. Okay? So, yung inyong katawan is magwe-wave, papunta dito sa left side, then up. Okay? Then, right, up. Okay? So, 1, 2, then, harap kayo dito sa right side, and yung inyong kamay is nakaganto, and tak, tak, tak. Okay? So, yung hip nyo, ito, tak, tak, tak. So, pababa siya. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, tak, tak, tak. So, countings tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next step naman, countings na lang tayo dito sa part na to. So same lang siya nung una kong tinuro kanina bago yung previous part, okay? So countings tayo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it for today's video. Kung natunan nyo to, just click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be updated. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And see you guys on my next video. Bye!